guys, and we're back with another video, and today we're going to do Scotch eggs. I'm doing it from a kind of a different angle so you can see exactly what I'm doing, because this is the first time I'm doing it, and so we're going to do it together. I will always have the ingredients or how to do it on the side of the screen. Of course, there's not much to this. Guys, we're back, and I made a salsa aioli because this is chorizo sausage, a little bit of cilantro, and the yolks actually came out kind of softer than what I thought. I thought they were going to be Easter eggs, soft, like hard green. So, Mark, you want to taste it? I haven't tasted it yet, but I tasted the sausage a little bit.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too. You got the yolk, honey. You have to go into the yolk. Is it good? Try. Different. I don't care if it's different, it's good.
Totally good.
Depending on what sausage you use, is depending on the color of the ball.
Well, it's going to depend on your flavor too.
The chorizo's spicy.
The salsa you put in there.
Okay. Okay. Well, and there you guys have it. A Scotch egg. You can use any sausage you want. I was going to use breakfast sausage, but chorizo was on sale. So, that's
Chorizo's
it.
better too. It's delicious.
You taste it? Yeah, our local grocer made that. So they make it fresh in the back. That's spicy too.
It's good.
My nose is starting to red. Okay, so there you guys have it. And thank you for watching, and we'll be back with another video.